and the Roborock!
If you have a busy family home, kids running around, pets shedding, toys on the floor, and spills happening at the worst possible moments, choosing the right robot vacuum can make a real difference in your day-to-day life. Today, we're comparing two premium, family-friendly robot vacuums side by side. The newly launched Eufy Omni S2, Eufy's latest high-end flagship, and the Roborock Saros 10R. Both are designed to reduce daily cleaning stress, but they approach the job in very different ways. Let's start with suction and deep cleaning because this is one of the biggest questions that families ask. In the same cleaning scenario, crumbs, pet hair, and embedded dirt on both hard floors and carpets, the Eufy Omni S2 clearly focuses on raw cleaning power and long-term performance. Eufy's AeroTurbo 2.0 system is designed for long-lasting deep clean. This robot has the industry-leading 30,000 pascals of suction pressure. It also uses multi-cone cyclone technology to provide higher cleaning efficiency and prevent suction loss. The multi-cone cyclone system spins away dirt before it reaches the filter, so it can provide large airflow. The large airflow plus 30,000 pascals of suction pressure provided by this technology results in 100 air watts of suction power, making it the robot with the highest real cleaning efficiency today. But more importantly, it ensures that the filter screen is not prone to clogging for a long time. Therefore, this strong suction force can remain stable for a long time without the need of frequent maintenance of the filter. That means families aren't just getting strong cleaning on day one, but consistent results month after month. Essentially, one investment with long-term returns. The S2 can also climb onto carpets up to 2 inches thick, and its suction automatically increases by one level to remove hair, dust, and pet fur deeply embedded in the carpet. If you have thick, plush rugs, the Eufy Omni S2 is one that can finally get it clean. The Roborock Saros 10R, on the other hand, offers lower overall suction, but still performs well for everyday debris like crumbs, dust, and light pet hair. While it doesn't dig as deeply into carpet fibers as the Eufy in side-by-side carpet tests, it compensates by pairing solid cleaning performance with extremely intelligent navigation. In real homes, that balance can matter just as much as raw suction power. Homes with lighter carpets or area rugs may find its performance perfectly sufficient, even if it doesn't reach the same deep clean level as the Eufy. One thing I do like about the Saros 10R is that it can leave its mop pads behind while vacuuming so that there's no chance of carpets getting wet. Now let's talk about mopping, because this is where the design philosophies really separate. The Eufy Omni S2 uses HydroJet 2.0, a full-length roller mop that covers a larger surface area than traditional spinning pads. It applies consistent downward pressure, continuously cleaning itself with live water while mopping, and extends outward to reach edges and baseboards, areas where crumbs, pet hair, and sticky residue tend to build up. The trade-off is that the roller system is more complex, but the payoff is more uniform coverage and less dirty water being spread across the floor. The Roborock Saros 10R uses dual spinning mop pads, which are excellent for daily maintenance cleaning. Its dock washes the pads with hot water, which parents will appreciate for hygiene, and the system is reliable and simple. While spinning pads don't cover as wide an area, they do a solid job on routine messes and are well suited for homes focused on consistent upkeep rather than heavy scrubbing. Health and hygiene are also important for families, especially those with young kids or pets. This is another area where the Eufy Omni S2 stands out. It uses electrolyzed water sterilization, which can eliminate 99.99% of common household bacteria, and its bacteria-killing effect lasts up to 5 days. For households with crawling toddlers, allergy-sensitive family members, or pets spending time on the floor, this health-focused design adds extra peace of mind and supports a cleaner living environment overall. When it comes to navigation and obstacle avoidance, the Roborock Saros 10R truly excels. Its advanced camera system and AI can recognize and avoid over 200 types of objects: toys, cables, shoes, pet bowls, and it handles cluttered family floors extremely well. It also has a slimmer profile, so it can fit under some furniture that almost always gets missed. Parents who don't want to pre-clean before running the robot will really appreciate how smoothly it moves around obstacles with minimal intervention. In addition to AI recognition, the Eufy Omni S2 also features strong 3D mapping and obstacle avoidance, navigating confidently through family spaces and maintaining efficient cleaning paths. Like the Saros 10R, it is also able to identify over 200 objects. While its focus leans more towards cleaning performance, it still handles everyday obstacles reliably and builds accurate maps that help it clean efficiently across multiple rooms and floors. Maintenance is another big factor for busy families, and both robots make life easier here. The Eufy Omni S2's 12-in-1 base station automatically empties debris, washes and dries the mop with hot water, sterilizes components, refills clean water, and prepares the robot for the next run. It's a highly hands-off system designed to support long-term performance with minimal effort. The S2 also introduces the innovative air fragrance system, which leaves your house smelling fresh and a distinctive benefit that enhances the overall cleaning experience. The Roborock Saros 10R's dock also self-empties and hot water washes its mop pads, offering dependable, low-maintenance operation that parents will value. So which robot vacuum is the better choice for families? If your home deals with heavy daily messes, deep carpets, shedding pets, and you want long-lasting deep clean performance, the new Eufy Omni S2 flagship delivers strong suction, deeper carpet cleaning, advanced mopping coverage, and health-focused features designed for long-term value. If your home has cluttered floors, lots of toys, and you want the robot least likely to get stuck or need supervision, the Roborock Saros 10R offers outstanding navigation and dependable everyday cleaning. Both robots are excellent. They simply shine in different areas depending on your family's lifestyle and priorities. If you want to see them in action or learn more, be sure to check them out and decide which one fits your home best. If you're interested in the Eufy Omni S2, don't miss out on the new product launch promotion, currently with a limited time $250 off discount and a gift worth $307. Don't miss out, go check it out now.